Tom Brady moves to the Tampa Buccaneers, and all of a sudden, Tompa Bay Trademarks, baby. Learn more about this in this case study. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to talk trademarks and copyrights. So, Tom Brady, earlier this year, gets transferred to the Tampa Buccaneers, and then all of a sudden, up pop all kinds of Tompa Bay trademarks. I want to show you the trademark registry or trademark database, rather. None of these have registered. And let's see what we can learn from it. I'm going to switch myself into the corner and let's have a look. So this is the trademark database, and what you can see here are 14 live applications. Actually, that's not true. 2 of them are dead. There are 12 that are live, and I'm going to start from the bottom. So when we look at this, we can see several things. None of these have registered. How do we know? None of these have a registration number except this one down at the bottom. It's dead. We're not going to talk about that. But what you need to know is that trademarks work on what we call, in trademark land, priority. This means that the person who uses first and files first is going to have better rights than the person who files later. So let's see who has the better rights here, and let's see who's going to be out of luck when they go to get their trademark registered. So let's have a look here. So we're going to start at the bottom because this is the first registration that was, or application rather, that was filed for Tompa Bay. Let's see who owns this. So the applicant here you can see is TEB Capital Management. Could that possibly be Tom Brady? I think so. This was filed on April 6, 2020, and the application basis is 1B. What does that mean? It means the mark isn't being used yet, but the owner, probably Tom Brady, has the intention in the future to use this as a trademark on what goods? Well, clothing, headwear, and footwear, right? Now let's go back so we can go up here and we can go see the previous document. Let's see who else is interested in this Tompa Bay trademark. Gridiron Ventures, they too, on April 12th. Wait, let's see who filed it first. So Tom's was filed April 6th, April 12th. They filed a mark for marketing services, namely creating corporate logos for others. Not sure what this is. We will have to continue. Let's go to the previous document. Now this guy, Todd Borowski, he is really missing the boat here. He filed for all kinds of Tompa Bay trademarks for athletic apparel, namely shirts, pants, jackets, footwear. There's a whole bunch of them that I'll show you here. But look when he filed. He filed April 20th. Tom Brady, at least that's who I suspect, filed April 6th. So this guy is going to be out of luck because, and let's go look. So Tom Brady filed for, actually, let's not go look. I don't have time to look. Tom Brady filed for Tompa Bay. This applicant, we're going to call him Todd, filed for Tompa Bay 12. He is incorporating the entirety of somebody else's what will become eventual registration into his trademark. This trademark application is not going to register. Why? Because it's confusingly similar with a previously filed application for exactly the same goods, athletic apparel. Okay, so Todd Borowski, you're going to be sorely disappointed. He has about 5 other trademark applications too. Let's go have a look at those. So he also owns the application for Tompa Bay, Florida. Again, this will not issue for athletic apparel. He owns Tompa Bay Buccaneers. Now, this is never going to fly. The Buccaneers are going to be all over him. And because he's incorporating the Tompa Bay that was previously filed prior to his, actually, no. This was filed March 18th, 2020. It's still not going to issue because the Tampa Bay Buccaneers are going to claim that this is too close to their trademark for their likely trademark for athletic apparel. Okay, so Todd, you're going to be out of luck on this one. Previous doc, this is another one filed March 18th for athletic apparel, Tompa Bay. Sorry, Todd, you're not going to be able to get this trademark. Previous doc, Tampa Beach, same thing. I predict that he is not going to be able to get this trademark. Or maybe he'll just have to fight it out with Tom Brady. Who knows? Tampa Bay Beach Club. Todd, you're on a roll. Tampa 12, again on March 18th. Todd. We're going to have to see what happens here. Tompa Baby, April 17th, 2020. This is definitely not going to issue. It's going to be confusingly similar with Tompa Bay for clothing, the same stuff. Lee Atkinson, I predict you are not going to get this trademark. Tompa Bay Gronkaneers, that's kind of interesting. We'll have to see if this issues. But again, the problem is this Tompa Bay. You can't incorporate the entirety of someone else's trademark into yours. So I predict that this application is never going to mature into a registration. And then again, Tompa Bay Gronkaneers filed. Everyone has the same idea. We're all capitalizing on Tom Brady's Tompa Bay, right? This is hilarious. This one was abandoned. I have no idea why, but we can go look at the TDSR, the document retrieval system, and see what happened. Well, there was an express abandonment after an outgoing office action. Let's see what was cited in the office action. All right, so there are prior pending applications. You think? And also false association. Registration is refused because the applied for mark consists of matter that may falsely suggest a connection with the football player Tom Brady. Although Tom Brady is not connected with the goods and services provided, Tom Brady is so well known that consumers would presume a connection. Exactly. These marks are not going to issue either, number one, because they are not filed first, okay, because Tom Brady filed first, or because they have a false association associated with them. So just because you file first, that doesn't necessarily mean that you get your trademark if there are other reasons why your mark should not issue. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here to talk about trademark and copyright law. You can message me any trademark or copyright law questions at my Facebook page, facebook.com/trademarkdoctor. Find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. I have a huge YouTube channel. Go there to binge watch my videos, like and subscribe to find out every time I upload a new one.